am Nikita H. Welcome to Code to Create channel. Before getting into the video, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please do watch the video till the end, and if you liked it, please like it and share it with your friends. Friends, if you have any comments, please do comment below in the box. Let's go for it. In this video, we're going to make a login page. So I've created a new file in spyder, and then I have to rename it by clicking on save file. And I'm naming this as login underscore page. Yeah, and let's delete all these stuffs. And the first thing we need to do is we need to import re. There's something called as re. So like we have done that, and then I'm saying username, and I'm setting it to input of enter the username like this. And then I'm coming down and setting p. I'm initializing a variable called p. This is for password. Saying input, enter the password. Yeah. So these both are done. Now let's come down and then say while x. Just say while x. If we're checking the length over here, if length of p is smaller than 8 or length of p is greater than 12, then you have to break out like nothing, there's nothing, just nothing. You're not supposed to do anything. Or else if not read dot search, which means we are saying that if that's not available, if that the alphabet or anything, we are checking that if it has like maximum 8 characters, and I mean minimum 8 characters and maximum 12 characters, and it has A to Z, capital A to Z, and then it has symbols, it has numbers, all those things we are checking. So we are saying read.search, and then let's put out the double quotes and then put a square bracket. We're putting out a square inside the square bracket. We are writing A to Z. So which means that if it's not there, A to Z, and it's must to put P because we are checking it for P, the password. Breakout. And then else if not read.search, and then put out the double quotes, the square bracket, come this side, and then say 0 to 9. And do not forget the p, comma, p, come out, and then if this is not there, then break out of the loop, and then say else if not read.search, put out the search and put out this, and then double quotes, and then a square bracket, inside the square bracket capital A to Z, and then close the square bracket, come out, come in, stay in, and then comma p, then come out and then break it up. And then say else if not read.search, put out the parentheses, and then the square bracket, and then the symbols. Let's put out the dollar symbol, and then this, then at. These are enough now. And then come out and say comma p here, and then break. Come down, say else if, this is the last one, this is not that important, so I'm not gonna write it, just break is enough. And then I'm saying else print. If these are all there, then we are going to print it's a valid password. Come out and then come. No, first let's come down and then say. Okay, so we forgot a thing. We are initializing another boolean. This is a boolean. X is equal to true. This is just a boolean. What's there over here? Undefined. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm absolutely sorry. This is small p. Come down and then set x to false. Come and break. Then come down and then create if x print not a valid password. So let's print out that it's not a valid password. Yeah, and hopefully this works. Let's run it. Username, come down the password. So let's see, it should be exactly 8. So I'm putting first L and then small I, and then I'm putting out this symbol. This would be fine, I think, and a number, and then I'm just randomly putting it up. I hope so. It's a valid. Yeah, it's a valid password. So let's see when it's not it's not valid. So let's enter my name, and then the password, let's just give it like we'll not give, and then it's saying not a valid password. Let's come down as said, and let's come out here and say if x, then print not a valid password, and down of that we are printing another message saying you missed please do check if you have entered a lowercase alphabet or a uppercase alphabet, or you have to put minimum 8 characters or maximum 12 characters, or you have missed, or you have to put any of these symbols of, let's put out the symbols over here of these symbols. Yeah, you have to put any of these symbols, or you have missed numbers, or you have missed numbers. Yeah, so let's print it out. It's asking me the username. Just hit enter. I am not interested. Yeah, not a valid password. Yeah, it has given me the message. And yeah, let's run and check like if it can be valid, when it will be valid. So let's put a capital message, a lowercase, and then a number, and then those symbols, and then a random stuff. Yeah, so now we know how to make a login page. You can make it even more colorful. Thank you, friends. Bye-bye.